Hello and welcome. Now, the information given is required labor force is in short supply. The interpretation will be if labor is the key factor. Now, if labor is the key factor, what should be the criteria of profitability or meaning of profitability? The general meaning of profitability is contribution per unit of the key factor. That means contribution per unit of labor. What is the unit of labor? It is labor hour. One worker works for 1 hour, that is 1 labor hour. Now, first of all, we have to calculate labor hours because they are not given in the question. That will be wages or direct labor cost divided by rate per hour. So, for X, it comes to rupees 15 divided by rupees 5 per hour, that is 3 hours. That means we can manufacture 1 unit of X in 3 hours. 3 workers work for 1 hour, 1 worker works for 3 hours, 2 workers work for 1.5 hours, and so on. 3 labor hours. Similarly, for Y, it will be rupees 10 total wages divided by rupees 5 per hour. That means 2 hours. So, to manufacture 1 unit of Y, we need 2 labor hours or 2 working hours. Now, profitability equals to contribution per hour. That means contribution per unit divided by hours per unit, which we have already calculated. For X, it is rupees 55 per unit divided by 3 hours per unit. That means rupees 18.33 or 18 and 1/3 rupees per hour. If we consume 1 hour of labor for X, average contribution of rupees 18 and 33 paise is generated. In case of Y, it is rupees 69 divided by 2 hours. Because 1 unit of Y requires 2 hours and 1 unit of Y gives us contribution of rupees 69. So it comes to average rupees 35.50 per hour. So if we consume 1 labor hour for Y, average contribution of rupees 34.50 is generated. So if required labor force is in short supply or labor is the key factor, Y is more profitable. Or if we assign rank, we should assign rank 1 to Y and 2 to X. Exactly opposite to the fact in case of raw material is the key factor. If labor is the key factor, again Y is more profitable because Y generates average contribution of 35.50 per hour against 18.33 per hour in case of X. That's it. Thank you very much.